Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now this week's job was to clear all these bushes. They were right up there. And they were getting out of hand, and we want to reclaim some of the garden. There's about 15 foot of garden there that we lost to them. So I treated myself to some nice new DeWalt tools. So I got the long handled chainsaw and the long handled hedge trimmer. I'll probably do a review video for them in the upcoming weeks, so watch out for them. So anyway, when I was cutting through all the trees and stuff, this was brilliant, but it had its limitations. And I was thinking to myself, it would be great if there was a handheld version of it, but I don't think DeWalt do one. So I started searching on the internet for handheld chainsaws. Now there's a few cheap ones out there, but anyway, I found the WORX do this one. So I approached WORX and they actually sent me this out for free to try, which is really nice of them. So I've been using it for a good few days now and it is brilliant. It'll go through fairly decent sized tree trunks and it'll go through small branches down to tiny little twigs, so it's a good all-rounder for handheld work. And as I was using it, I thought it'd be perfect for anyone who has trouble gripping secateurs or loppers or whatever, or anyone elderly who has trouble using them. So the alternatives are secateurs, which if you struggle to grip can be a nightmare. Or the small loppers or the big ratchet loppers. Now both of them are brilliant and you get a lot of leverage, especially with the extendable handles, but they still take a lot of time. So for example, okay, so that went through really easily, but with the chainsaw it went through really quickly. I'll do that again because it went too quick. Fast and effective. Now that was a small branch. Let's find a decent size lump of tree. Right, so I found a decent lump of tree and away we go. As you're seeing, that went through really easily. And it's not just in the garden that you can use it, it'd also be perfect in the workshop. And that's just a piece of 3x2 and it'll easily go through that as well. Really handy for a bit of rough work. So I can highly recommend this WORX handheld mini chainsaw. Brilliant for in the garden or in the workshop. Be an ideal gift for someone who's keen on gardening or someone getting a bit old and can't use their hands as well, or just someone who struggles with grip. It's absolutely brilliant. So to use it, there's a little safety button there and it's on both sides, so you can push it either way. So I just push it in with my thumb and then pull the trigger. And it's not very noisy either, so it shouldn't annoy the neighbours. So anyway, yeah, great bit of kit. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.